Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the existing world of pig farming. Whether you are a seasoned farmer or a beginner looking to start your own operation, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Quick cut into the different aspects of pig farming such as feeding, breeding and healthcare. 1. Understanding the basics. Before diving in, it's essential to understand the basics first because the choose the right breed of pigs based on your goals and the local market demand. Research breeds known for their adaptability and productivity. Next, secure suitable land with adequate space for the number of pigs you plan to raise. Ensure access to clean water, proper drainage and shelter for the elements, that's your pigs. Setting up your farm. Now let's talk of infrastructure. Construct your pen or housing to allow proper ventilation and easy cleaning. Design separate areas for feeding, resting and waste management. Invest in the quality feeding equipment and formulate a balanced diet tailored to your pigs nutritional needs. Consult with a veterinarian to develop a depth health management plan and schedule regular checkups. 3. Breeding and reproduction. Breeding is a crucial aspect of pig farming. Select breeding stock based on traits such as growth rate, litter size, disease resistance. Implement proper mating techniques and keep detailed record of breeding cycles. Ensure optimal condition for fawning and provide appropriate care to newborn piglets. Monitor their health closely and intervene if necessary to ensure their survival and growth. Health care and disease prevention. Now you have to maintain the health of your pigs, that the health of your pigs is very paramount. Implement a robust vaccination program to prevent common diseases and parasites. Practice good biosecurity measures to minimize the risk of diseases transmission. Regularly inspect your pigs for signs of illness or injury. Promptly address any issue, provide clean bedding, maintain a hygiene environment to prevent spread of pathogens. And there you have it, folks. Starting and managing a pig farm requires dedication, knowledge, hard work, but the reward can be very sweet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment for more farming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy farming. It's your boy from Investor Biggie Farms, where we talk of livestock and all form of animals. Thank you so much. God bless you all. God bless me. I love you. So these are large whites. We love them. So this is large white and piglet. Pig farming. Very lucrative business. As you can see, use a wooden pen where there is space for ventilation. And this is Duroc. Yeah, this is Duroc pig. People love Duroc because of their profiling where they give birth. This is an adult Duroc. Look how big it is. So taking pigs to Enugu. This are loading pigs, taking them to Enugu, delivering to a new farm. Just started piggery farming. Location is not a problem. Deliver anywhere. Just have nice pork on our fork. Very intelligent and beautiful animals. Good for protein. pig farming in Nigeria. You enjoy pig farming. Thanks for all the support.